My son made a new friend at the playground today, a little boy who wandered over to me and asked if I had any water. He told me he was 3 and mentioned his dad was playing basketball about 400 meters away. The two boys played together for about half an hour before the boy's dad showed up. The dad called out, "I'll be right back, buddy," and crossed the street to his house, returning after 15 minutes. By then, it was getting dark and I was about to head home, but I noticed a man standing in the corner, smoking. He didn't have a kid with him, which made me uneasy about leaving the boy alone. When the dad came back, he didn't stop. He just waved at the boy and said, "Heading back to the court." The boy's face fell. I couldn't ignore it. I asked the dad if his son was really only 3 and explained that I'd stayed to make sure someone was watching him. The dad shrugged and said, "He's fine. We do this all the time. Is this normal? Should a 3-year-old really be left alone at the playground?"